Heat pump tumble dryers. Let me explain everything you need to know. Heat pump dryers use about a third of the energy that a vented or a condenser would use, so they're immensely efficient. Heat pump dryers use a refrigerant to absorb heat from the air, then recirculate it to dry your clothes efficiently. They use less energy and are gentler on fabrics by reusing warm air instead of venting out. Obviously when it's drying, the moisture has to go somewhere, so on most machines the water collects in a drawer in the top left there, which then you can just empty out. Alternatively, they do come with waste pipes, which you can connect onto the back and then having draining out down a waste point. Heat pump dryers are all sensor tumble dryers these days as well. So what that means is it detects the moisture in the clothes, and when it realises they're dry, it finishes. So you get perfect results every time. In terms of maintenance, you still have your filter just in here. Additionally, you have your condenser unit down here. This here, you just need to make sure it's clear of any fluff. You can just vacuum it out. Something else I should mention about heat pump tumble dryers, they do need to work in a warm room. Most manufacturers advise an ambient temperature of 17 degrees. Reason being, as mentioned earlier, it absorbs the heat from the environment it's in to help with the drying of the clothes. So these here don't really work in outbuildings or garages. Now, if you're in the market for a heat pump tumble dryer, here's perhaps a couple of things that are a bit unique that you should be looking out for. First of all, this machine here from Blomberg has a faster dry feature. So any of the red programs, you turn it to the one you want, press the faster dry button, it then activates a 1 kilowatt heating element, which becomes one of the fastest drying tumble dryers on the market. So with this machine, you can have the choice of efficiency or speed. Some machines, like this one here from Siemens, you'll see there is no condenser unit to access. That's because this one here is a self-cleaning condenser unit. You can also get these from Bosch and other manufacturers as well. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you've got any questions, drop a DM, comment, whatever, give us a call or pop into our showroom in Lutterworth.